Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons, an initiative taken by Set Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself Mrudula Karderu, mathematics teacher for standard 5th. So children, let us continue with chapter number 15, data handling. So children, let us begin. Children, today we will be solving the examples from the worksheet. Question number 1. The following bar graph represents the number of people of different countries in a world summit. Answer the following questions. How many Indians were present? So children, when you observe this graph, you will come to know that the graph is about different countries and number of peoples which are present in the world summit. So Indians, how many Indians were present? 500. And Chinese 300. Japanese again same 300. And Americans were 200. So first one, how many Indians were present? 500. So write the answer 500. Which country has minimum representatives? So which bar is smaller here? Americans, where it is having less number of people. So write here America. Next we have, which country has maximum representatives? Which one? It is India. It is having longest bar and 500 peoples. So write India. Which country have same number of representatives? Here we find Chinese and Japanese have both 300 representatives. Both are same. So you write the answer as China and Japan. What is the total number of people in the World Summit? So to find the total number of people, what you have to do, children? You have to add all the peoples present in the summit. So Indians were 500, Chinese 300, Japanese 300. So 300, 300. And Americans are 200. 0, 0. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. So total people present in the World Summit were 1300 peoples. Is it understood, children? Okay. Now let us move to question number 2. A supermarket carried out a survey to find out which kind of fruit people liked the most. The bar chart given alongside shows the result. Answer the following questions. So children, you can observe here, it is showing the people liking different varieties of fruits. The fruits were grapes, oranges, apples, peaches, pears, bananas. And how many people are liking grapes? It is 100. Oranges 40. Apples 80. Peaches 140. Pears 60. And bananas were 100. Now let us try to answer. How many people took part in the survey? So to find the total number of people, what you have to do? You have to add all the people liking the following fruits. That is, grapes were 100, oranges 40, apple 80, peaches 140, pears 60, and bananas again 100. So add this 0. Next 6 plus 4 10, 18, 22. Next 1 2 3 4 5. So 520 peoples were taking part in the survey. So write the answer 520. What fraction of people taking part indicated peaches as their favorite fruit? So children, for that, first write the fraction of total people liking peaches to the total number of people present in the survey. So the total number of people liking peaches is 140. So write 140 divided by total number of people taking part is 520. So divide it by 520. 1010 gets cancelled. 14 upon 52. Now both the numbers get divisible by 2. Yes. So write 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 4. 1 remainder 12. 2 6 are 12. So what is the answer? 7 upon 26, where 26 is not further divisible and 7 is a prime number. So stop division here and write the answer as 7 upon 26. What is the percentage of people who likes grapes? Question number C. What is the percentage of people who likes grapes? So children, for that first write how many people like grapes. That is 100, and total number of people taking part in the this one survey is 520. So to find the percentage, how will you write? You will write it as 100, that is number of people who like grapes, and total number of people present is 520. And to find percentage, what you will do? You will do it into 100. You have already studied in percentage lesson, isn't it? Now 1010 gets cancelled. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 1 remainder. 2 6s are 12. Is it clear? Next, 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10, and this 0 as it is. So what is remaining? 50 into 5 upon 13. 50 into 5, you get 5 5s are 25, and this 0 as it is. Divide by 13. So let us do the basic division method. 13 divided by 250. 13 1s are 13, 13 2s are 26. It can't be divisible, so write 13 1s are 13. What is the remainder? 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Bring down 0. Next, 13 how much are 120 or nearer to 120? 13 9s are 117. So what is the remainder? 10. This becomes 1. So 10 minus 7 is 3, 0, 0. As 3 is not divisible, what will you do? Take point, give 0. 13 1s are 13, 13 2s are 26. Give 26. Normal. So 10 minus 6 is 4, 2 minus 2 is 0. Now it is not divisible. You have already taken decimal point as well. So directly give 0. 13 2s are 26, 13 3s are 39. 13 3s are 39. What is remainder? 1. Now after decimal, when you get 2 digits, just stop the division. So what is the percentage now? 19.23. So write the answer as 19.23% of the people likes grapefruits. So write the answer 19.23%. And children, solve this question number 9 and question number 10, and I will be sending the solution for this in the next video.